Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. We've got some early Doulton Wilton to show you. Royal Doulton made this pattern D6226 over a long period of time, and this is quite an early piece with the china marks, as you can see on the base there. Characteristic lion and crown over an orb with Royal Doulton, made in England with Wilton D6226 in a sort of burgundy red factory stamp. It's a large breakfast cup, this, a size up on the teacups that they made. This is in quite worn, used vintage condition. We would point out to you the almost complete loss of gilt around the rim on this teacup. Little bit of moulding impressed into the side of the breakfast cup. You can see the rib mouldings coming down the side and a tiny little amount of glaze crazing on this one, but it is an early piece, this probably from the 1930s, early 1940s. Transfer pattern itself is really nicely conserved all the way around, front and rear panel decoration, and the saucer again with matching china marks, D6226 with the lion and orb, again in slightly better condition than the teacup with a lot more gilt retention around the outside. So an early piece, a larger size breakfast cup as opposed to the teacup. All the dimensions will be on the website listing, and if you follow the link description below, it will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website offer for this breakfast cup and saucer. Thanks for watching.